Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming network and system basics, because most playback errors come from connectivity or old firmware. First, make sure the My TV is on the same working network and your ISP speed is sufficient. Once wired or Wi-Fi is checked, fully power cycle the TV and router. Unplug for 30 seconds, plug back in, then boot. Next, open settings and install any available system or security updates. These fixes often restore app compatibility without deeper work. Once the system is current, focus on the YouTube app itself because corrupted app data is a common cause. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, then clear cache and data, reboot the TV and test playback. If problems persist, uninstall updates or remove the app completely and reinstall from Google Play. If your My TV lacks Play Store access, sideload the compatible Android TV APK carefully. Enable install from unknown sources. Use a USB drive or file manager, and pick the correct 32/64-bit build. Finally, verify playback and account status so you confirm the fix worked. Sign into your Google account, open YouTube, and play multiple videos at different resolutions to confirm stable streaming. If buffering continues, change DNS to 8 in network settings to bypass ISP DNS issues, and test again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset or try an older compatible YouTube APK. If problems persist after those steps, contact My Support or use a Chromecast/external Android TV box to isolate the hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.